Hey there, I'm Ray. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. Now today I wanted to show you how to do the White Russian, the drink made famous in the Big Lebowski. Now in that movie, Jeff Bridges drinks a lot of White Russians and it's had quite a resurgence. I know it's still cold outside. It was minus 28 degrees here yesterday. That's like 50 below with wind chill. That's crazy. But I know I want to get away from the hot cocktails because I've been meaning to do this drink for a while. So I wanted to show you how to make my White Russian. Countless number of versions to do this drink, but I'm going to show you how to do mine and we'll go from there. Now this drink is so simple. Sometimes when I come down here, I want to shoot some pool. I want to make something simple. I want to make something easy. 3 ingredients: vodka, Kahlua, cream. That's all there is. Very simple. Now, like I said, different people like to use different ratios of things. I'm going to show you how I make mine. Okay? So let's begin. Get yourself an old-fashioned glass and ice it up. Now, some people say you got to use crushed ice or cracked ice. I like to use the whole cubes because it keeps the drink, I don't want it to turn so slushy on me. Okay, now first thing we're going to do is we're going to put 2 ounces of a good vodka. In this case, I'm using Tito's, handmade from Texas. I mean, you know it's cold outside when even your vodka's got a little sweater on. Okay, 2 ounces of that. Now I like my coffee liqueur, so I'm going to put 1.5 ounces of that in. Now you can use your Camorra, you can use your Patron XO, you can use whatever coffee liqueur you want. I'm going to put 1.5 ounces of Kahlua in mine. Now I'm going to use 1 ounce of half and half. Now the cream, some people stick by their, oh, you have to use heavy whipping cream. That's kind of a little bit too rich for me. Some people like to use whole milk. Some people even like using 2%. That's way too thin. I don't think it makes a good drink, so I like the half and half. I'm putting 1 ounce of that in there. I want to kind of layer it on top there. Some people like pouring out the back of their spoon. I don't really think it's necessary. There. Now that's the way I think this drink should be served. I mean, I like to serve it unstirred. I mean, you might want to let the people stir it as they want to. So that's the way I like to serve it. Now also, I like putting a cherry in mine. Not all the juice, just the cherry itself. Matter of fact, I'm going to put 2 in there. I'm right on top of the ice cubes. Okay. Now, like I said, there's countless number of versions to do this. Some people like using their vanilla vodka. Some people like using chocolate bitters in there. There's all sorts of versions. What I want you to do is, I mean, of course I want you to subscribe and like this channel, but I really want you to send me back your comments and let me know if you like White Russians, if you like the Big Lebowski. Have you not seen it? Everybody's seen it. Let me know how you make yours, okay? Because at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. Oh, that's good. I'll catch you just before the next round. See you later.